As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. It's already been marked for the halfway point for a symmetrical left and right, and I'm flipping it inside out. And if you need directions on how and why to do this, I've linked a separate video specifically for the flipping part in the description. Alright, with that on there, let's go ahead and do a heart. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just accordion fold along this, the heart, and then we'll go from there. Oh, I need to mark a couple of things. I need to mark like the peak of this over here. So let's pick another color. Let's go with something like this. We'll just pull this out and draw a line here. We're just going to draw some lines so we know what is actually straight down off the heart. Alright, I'm going to use some sinew. Tie this up. I wouldn't say it's super tight, but it's pretty tight. Alright, let's cut it off. And touch this up just a tiny little bit right there. And then we'll add some rubber bands to that just to keep it closed. Okay, now we have these lines. Alright, I'm going to take this and these lines . All I'm doing is catching that and then turning it towards straight-ish. Doing what I can here. Trying to make these relatively the same. And I could probably fit one more in if I really try. Right. Let's see what I can do here. Leave it like that. That should work. This last green one that's going across would have been that midpoint of the heart. So, to do that, and this is an important part, I think, or at least I'm defining it as an important part for this. Let's see if I can put this through here. There we go. Okay, So now we have this top part. That might be the best option. Doing a scrunch with this thick material is always challenging so that it doesn't come out looking weird, because you have parts that are already like accordioned. It's not adding any pressure, so it shouldn't be an issue. Well, just keep it like that. Alright, off to die. I completely forgot to mark this out. This was not off to die yet. Alright, this is my line. So I'm going to go, let's say 2 inches. I don't know if that's going to work, but we're going to go with 2 inches in between each of these and draw lines. Alright, that should be it as far as what I have to mark. Now we're off to die. Alright, for this, Chinese red, orange crush, lemon yellow, emerald green, turquoise, cerulean blue, deep purple, hot pink, and better black. And these are all from Dharma. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I'll let this sit until it melts through, and I'll decide what to do on the back. I'm probably just going to do everything from the same side because of the complexity of this, but we'll see. Alright, the ice is mostly melted through. I'm going to come in and add some soda ash powder across it and just reapply the ice, I'm pretty sure. I might add some more red over the pink here, just to darken that a tad bit or give it some more depth. Otherwise, that's it. Alright, I'll let it sit until it melts through, and then total time is going to be about 18 hours before we do the washout. It's been about 24 hours, so let's do this washout. Alright, let's take a quick look. So I'll throw this in the washing machine, and then we'll take a final look. Alright, here's the results. I think it turned out pretty good. I wasn't expecting quite as much white in here, but it works. I was really concerned that the blue had come up too high into the heart, but it didn't. It actually works okay. The black turned out really well. I don't have too many like really odd colors from the black. I have mostly black and then some grays. And then this down here actually worked pretty good. I think it looks pretty good, especially without having to do an incline. It just looks like it's dripping down. So overall, I'm really happy with this. So what do you think? Do you think it turned out good? As always, until next time, thanks for watching.